We decided to do our project on LinkedIn this semester because our group thought that it was a service and a website that a lot of students in our class would be familiar with, and one that we're ourselves familiar with just from looking for jobs over the past couple of years, and it would be really interesting to kind of look behind the scenes and see their advanced pricing models and see if we can make any recommendations to it.
After we decided on LinkedIn for our company, we really wanted to focus in on our audience, and that is students. And after all the discussions we had in class about dating websites and their pricing plans, we really thought it would be interesting to focus on that in a commercial. Next, we looked at dating websites and thought that it was very interesting that they actually seemed very similar to LinkedIn, just from the fact that you're looking for a mutually beneficial relationship, and a lot of the times seeking for jobs is kind of like seeking a date when it really doesn't work out and it's really complicated.
So we're going to start playing our actual video here in a couple seconds, just so you have a better framework for what me and Dakota are going to talk about. Okay, so these first few scenes are there to highlight the frustrations that Courtney's having with LinkedIn and drawing a parallel to dating websites, which we thought was very similar in frustration. The next scenes that are coming up here are about the boyfriends, and what the boyfriends really are a representation of the employers on LinkedIn and LinkedIn itself. So the third part of our video then are the solutions to these problems, and that's the menu and a new price point. And the reason we structured this whole thing the way we did is it's kind of frustrations, the representation of those frustrations, and then solutions.
The goal of our video was to reflect our change in LinkedIn's pricing while also capturing the viewer with humor. I think we did this by comparing LinkedIn with dating websites, especially for college students. The challenge with dating websites is you don't always have the right options, but our new pricing gave you those options. Dating websites also don't always give you the connections you want, but LinkedIn, when offered at a premium price, does offer you those connections.